I've been pushing trees over with this massive excavator, and which is totally freaking awesome. But I got a, what is this? Maybe a beech, can't see from here. I got a big tree that I can't push over. So I'm gonna make a chainsaw cut on the back side of it, about halfway through, maybe 3/4, and then try to push it over. I put a little bit of pressure with the bucket against the tree so it doesn't sit back on my saw. Let me get to cutting. Okay, coupling is now hella tight. It is one solid unit, 30 feet long, and now we got these little voids at certain points where the culvert is not making contact with the gravel below it.